Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Babita Kumari. Now I see all the participants are ready to come to stage and share their views about the given discipline necessary or not for a student. So, students, put your hands together for the first speaker from class 6 and Sanskar Public School. Mr. Ramraj, to come on the stage.
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning to all respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ramraj and I'm standing here to give some light on how can discipline is not necessary. Rebellious behavior in children, especially in teenagers, stem from very strict parenting. A strict rule without equal love and affection can trigger and rebellious behavior. Overbearing rules without a great relationship can cause the children to act out. So, and also parents who are too controlling their children and do not allow them to make their choices can cause a rebellious behavior in them. Children, especially teenagers in particular, need to have their thought and emotion validated and not micromanaged. Sometimes children become verbally disrespectful to overly strict parent. Too much discipline makes you a robot, and if you take it to very low, you are an animal. Like Bruce Lee said, here is a natural instinct and here is a control. You are to combine the both in harmony. If you have one to the extreme, you are unscientific. If you have another to the extreme, of a sudden you are a mathematician. Not a human being. If you want to be a human being, you have to combine the both successful. Now what are the causes of being indisciplined? First is favoritism. Teachers favor some students and other students pass this favoritism as an offense against them. This also leads a rebellion. And I really feel grateful that my school, Sanskar Public School, which I have seen from last 7 years, is very disciplined, and this is because of our respected principal sir and all respected teachers who always behave with every student in the same way. My second point is the relationship between teacher and student. This relation is always necessary for any type of learning process. If there was any breakdown in this relationship, this becomes rebellious behavior. My third point is the rules are not enforced. When a student is not punished for her offense, he or she goes on to make more offense. Fourth is the lack of motivation. When a student is not motivated, they intended to work in indisciplined manner. Now, pointing my topic, I want to say a story. This is the story of a student. He is a boy who is very disciplined in her study. He often used to study. He is that much disciplined in her study that I have never seen him playing games, playing a sport, or enjoying her life, or chilling with friends, or smiling or laughing. One day I asked him to play cricket. I was very shocked to listening her answer that he said that I don't know what is cricket. Sometimes I asked him that, did you want to play with me? I will teach you. But he said that no, I am not interested. I only want to study. Then I understand that he is a boy who is only interested in her study. But then a time comes when he became a mental patient, and her doctor said that this happened because of very much discipline in her study and disconnecting from environment. Discipline is really good, but sometimes you should take indiscipline and break the rule for a greater good. And also, if you are disciplined, so please don't discipline in only one subject. You need to discipline on every subject. At last, if you want to fulfill your dream or be successful in your life, you really need to be disciplined in your life. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your precious words in ideas, Ramraj. Now, I would like to call the next speaker from class 6, Shikha. Please a big round of applause for him to come on the stage.
Good morning everyone, this is Shikha from class 6A, standing here to explain why discipline is important for everyone. Discipline is a link between goals and success. Discipline is an act of rules and regulation which we follow from our childhood till the end of our life. It is very important and necessary. It leads to success, progress, punctuality, peace and happiness. A well-disciplined person can never unsuccess their life. They always success in their life. The discipline is equally important for everyone in her life, like teachers, students, employees, businessmen and all the young and old people. Discipline is something that keeps your mind in control. It motivates you to how to succeed and progress in your life. Everybody follow discipline in their own ways. Like somebody follow discipline in their own prospect of discipline, and some person can make discipline the part of their life and some do not. Types of discipline and importance of discipline is also very important. Without discipline, your life is very dull and inactive. Temporary pleasure is not enough to success in your life. If you want to success in your life, you have to make the permanent pleasure in you as a freedom. Also, a individual person can handle the situation of living in a sophisticated bed than do not live in a. If you have any plan, implement or ambition in your life, you need the discipline to success it. It ultimately brings success in your life and easy to do everything. If we talk about type of discipline, there are two types of discipline, that is induced discipline and self-discipline. Induced discipline is the discipline that we learn by watching or listening other, and self-discipline is the discipline that we learn by us on. Self-discipline is very hard because it's involving a large amount of hard working, motivation and supports from others. It is also necessary everybody to keep the discipline. Discipline is also very important. Without discipline, your life is like inactive. A well-disciplined person can do everything, and also the people that is not very disciplined is not do anything because it's lots of hard working and disciplines in your life. The different type of discipline is different stages. Therefore, we learn that different stages have different types of discipline. The meaning of discipline is different from student, different from anyone. One, you have to become a disciplined person. You can completely success the road of the success. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your because word and ideas, Ms. Shikha. Now I
Good morning, my name is Tanvir Kumar. I read in class 6 and saying a speech on disadvantage of discipline. Too much discipline may indulge in the school, college and the office areas. Too much discipline generates a feeling of superiority by the superiors. Too much discipline may develop hesitation among a student and college. Too much discipline will generate a feeling of helplessness. Too much discipline generates a disrespect for the superiors. Children often become a variable disrespectful to only strict parents. When children are told to not speak in the particular manner, they can become even more disrespectful, whether it is in the moment or at a later time. Sorting order, dawn service, punishment, trying to control a child only add to disadvantage language and behavior. Rebellious behavior in children, especially teenagers, can stem from very strict parents. A strict rule without equal love and affection can trigger relation behavior. Overbearing rule without a strong relationship cause children to act out. Also, parents who to control and do not allow to children choice can trigger relational behavior. Teenagers in particular need to have their thought and equal valid and not macro merge. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your previous word in ideas, Mr. Tanmay Kumar. Now I would like to call the next speaker, Ms. Nibha. Please a big round of applause for her to come on the stage.
First of all, good morning to all. I am Niva from class 6. I am standing here to say about discipline is necessary for the student life. Discipline is compulsory for the student life because discipline is very important role in our life. Discipline helps to train a person's mind and character, building a sense of self-control and the practice of the obedience. Freedom is laziness and lethargy and others. Self-discipline is a form of freedom. Freedom from weakness, fear and doubt. Discipline is the word that implies great meaning of the everyone's life. Discipline is the word that implies a great meaning of everyone's life. It is a set of standard rules. It is a set up by scholarly individuals. It is a way of being honest, hardworking and encouraged throughout the life. Discipline is an important behavior in our life. It is a character trait which crucial for expressing many other attributes in life. It refers to order lines in life, which is essential for success in one's life. Additionally, it demonstrates respect to physical and moral laws in society. So we always follow the discipline. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your practices, word and ideas, Ms. Nibha. Now I would like to call the next speaker from class 6, Ranjita. Please a big hand to come on the stage.
First of all, good morning everyone. Today I am Pranjita Kumari from class 6A, standing here to giving a speech on topic discipline. Discipline is something that makes each person in control. It motivates a person to progress in his life and achieve success. Everyone follows discipline in his her life in different forms. Besides, everyone has his own purpose of discipline. Some people consider discipline as a part of his life and some will not. Discipline guides a person's ability directly in the right path. Without discipline, a person becomes inactive and dull. He do not concentrate on their future path and he lost most of time in different waste activity. But the disciplined person can handle the situation that create in his life. Moreover, if you have a plan and you will implement in your life, you need discipline because it makes things easy to handle and ultimately it brings success in your life. If we talk about the types of discipline, there are generally two types of discipline. First one is instilled discipline and second one is self-discipline. Instilled discipline is something that others taught us and we learn by seeing others. Well, self-discipline is learned by our own self. Self-discipline requires a lot of motivation and support from others. We need discipline almost everywhere in life. Without discipline, a person becomes incomplete in his life. He cannot achieve any type of success because the discipline is the staircase by which any person receive success in his life. So last, I have already said this word that we follow discipline in our life and achieve success. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ms. Ranjita, for sharing your previous word in ideas. Ms. Ranjita, now I would like to call the next speaker from class 6, Nikhil Kumar. So please put your hand together for the Nikhil Kumar.
Good morning everyone. I am Nikhil Kumar from class 6 and Sanskar Public School. I am saying advantage of discipline and disadvantage of discipline. The position of self-discipline enables you to choose and then preserve with action, thoughts and behavior which leads to improvement and success. It also gives you the power and inner strength to come over additions, procrastinations, and laziness and to follow through whatever you do. My next topic is disadvantage of discipline. Too much discipline makes individual in the school, college, and the officers rebels. Too much discipline generates a feeling of suppression by the superiors. Too much discipline may develop hesitation among students and college. Low self-esteem children look to their parents for self-esteem. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Nikhil Kumar. So, for sharing your precocious word and ideas. Discipline. Today's debate competition. Discipline for students. Discipline necessary or not for students? Discipline is very important for students in whatever field he may be. Discipline means to lead our life with proper rules and regulars. So, very thanks all students and Sanskar Public Schools, all students. Thanks, very nice day.